I'm Diane, and I'm the founder and CEO of Wag Company Northeast Friendship Dogs. Pets is Therapy, the largest visiting charity with dogs, visit people in care and medical establishments, but nobody would visit people in their own homes on a one-to-one basis. And so Wag Company was developed to fill that gap. We founded Wag in 2016, mainly to provide home visiting with dogs for people isolated and alone in their own homes. What Wag volunteers do is bring them something to look forward to, a dog to have in their lives again, to love and to cuddle and to call their own, really. We had a lady the other day, in fact, from York, who got in touch saying that she'd lost her husband, but 2 weeks ago, she'd also lost her dog, and she was heartbroken and so lonely. And could we please help? And of course, the answer with Wag is always yes.
My name is George Lambert. I'm the founder and CEO of Lambert Labs. We help companies and organizations migrate to AWS. And then once their technology infrastructure is on AWS, we help them manage that infrastructure moving forwards, making sure that it is secure, reliable, and cost optimized. We've been working with Wag Company for a year now, and we manage the technology and infrastructure that underpins Wag Company's day-to-day operations. The web portal that the Wag Company staff use to manage all of the volunteers who give up their time to take their dogs and visit perhaps isolated or lonely people in the community.
Of course, we must raise the funds to be able to provide our service safely. And so we have people jumping out of planes, running the Great North Run, grants from organisations who love what we do, a whole multitude of ways where people can help us to do what we do for older dog lovers in our region. We need professional staff who are risk assessing, managing, equipping, insuring volunteers and monitoring placements on an ongoing basis, really just to make sure that everybody is safe and happy.
Hosting on AWS gives us various different options. Firstly, the infrastructure is very much scalable, so it scales out and in depending on demand on the web portal. Essentially means that Wag Company are only paying for the compute resource that they need at any time. And this is extremely important for charities because it means that cost is optimized. The other thing to focus on for us with Wag Company is security. The web portal contains a lot of sensitive information. Making use of AWS allows us to store all of that data extremely securely.
To ensure that our operation is as efficient as possible, we have to invest in systems. And from the very beginning, we've done that. Everything we do online and being able to see the data easily is absolutely core and crucial to our operation. We can't manage it safely without understanding who's where, what they're doing. Have we properly risk assessed all our interventions? And are we managing the relationships on an ongoing basis effectively and in line with our governance protocols? So a bespoke system was always core to Wag's operation.
Really, there are two things that Lambert Labs are going to be doing to help Wag & Co. The first is making sure that the infrastructure is just infinitely scalable, so that if Wag & Co.'s operations do expand to other regions and therefore essentially deal with higher volumes of people and volunteers, we need to make sure that the infrastructure can support that.
So over time, as Wag's services continue to grow, so the capability of the system needs to grow.
At the moment, Wag Company want to know or get better insight into the data that they collect, and it may well be that we do projects relating to that on AWS in the future.
We identified Lambert Labs as the right firm to help take us forward into the future and further improve the system and enable us to scale.
Really what you have here is you've got people in society that are using some technology that's provided by Wag Company. It's delivered by Lambert Labs, who are operating under a partnership model with both Ingram Micro and AWS. And so you've got these 4 different organizations there that are combining to put together some really powerful technology, which is benefiting people in the wider society.